Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the video C Sharp ToolStrip control. So in the last video we learned about the basics. Now we will talk about the example which we are going to create in the next coming videos. So this is the basics and we learned that in the previous part. So this example, if you see, we have a ToolStrip control, and the ToolStrip control is added with buttons, separators, and you can see there are some buttons here in the left side and some buttons in the right side. Then to study the behavior of the toolbar, we have some other supporting controls. Here in this group box, you can place a tick mark here, display image and text. So once you place a tick mark here, you will see a toolbar button icon as well as text. Say for example here, this is to open a new file, right? You will see the icon here and you will see the text new also. Similarly, for this floppy disk one, you will see the icon as well as the text save. Likewise, it goes for other icons. So once you enable this display image and the text, then we will have the option of where the image should be displayed. Suppose this is the icon image, and let us say this is the text part. Here, if you see image first, in the sense icon is displayed first, then text. And when we call for a text first, then text will be displayed first, then the image icon will be displayed. All right. Next, we will see the toolbar layout with this group, and once you place a check mark, overflow will be allowed. So when this tick mark is not turned on, and when there are more controls, say for example here there is some space, right? If we start filling the control and if it occupies all this area, then when you add a new control, that will not be shown in the toolbar. So to show that, we have to resize the form. But once you turn on the allow overflow, then the even though when there is no space to display the toolbar buttons here, it will be displayed in a next line in the toolbar. So that's the difference between here normal flow and horizontal overflow. So this layout option we will study using this set of controls. So that's the example we are going to create. There is not much here to explain. So now we will go to the Visual Studio and look at the initial form design and the control names. So here is the project. So the project name is a ToolStrip, and we placed a form. Then we placed some set of controls. So this one is a group box. Then we have one more group box. Inside this group box, we have a checkbox, and we named that checkbox as chk image txt. Then we have two radio button, rad text first, then rad image first. Similarly, there is one more checkbox, chk overflow, rad flow, RAD, HO, or flow. So these names we will refer when we start coding it. So if you notice here, we haven't yet added the ToolStrip control. If you want to add the ToolStrip control, we have to go to containers, and inside the containers, okay, so here is the group menus and toolbar. So here we can drag and drop this ToolStrip control. So this one is the container. There are two flavors available. We will use this ToolStrip control, and you can see the tooltip text here provides a toolbar and other user interface elements that supports many appearance options. All right, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.